Alis na kami for yung driveway. Sobrang bag. Guys, look outside. Good morning, Philippines from the Netherlands. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, yung snow. Pinong-pino yung ano niya. Pwede siyang ihalo-halo. Just. Ang ganda. So guys, first time tong nag-snow dito sa Netherlands ng madami. Kasi diba dati, konti lang. Oh, hanggang dun, oh. Napapaligiran na ng color white. Alam nyo ba guys, actually hindi siya sobrang lamig. Ano lang, 0 degree lang dito. Pero nag-snow. Ang saya ko. This is not my first time, pero ang saya ko pa rin kasi nga dito sa Netherlands, hindi madalas mag-snow compare sa other Europe country. Makapal din, oh. Tingnan mo, maghagis ako ng look. Lumubog. So guys, ihahatid ako ni husband sa work kasi nga today, parang wala siyang work. Kasi tumawag yung niya, yung planner. Ang sabi, for now daw, wala pa daw plan para sa kanya. And today guys, it's snowing. Thank you, babe. So guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung yung snow. Ang dami ng snow sa car namin. Naka-winter shoes ako. So, hindi muna ako the last row. So, dadalhin ko lang tong working shoes sa work ko. Kasi lalagay ko lang siya sa locker. Kasi ngayon, kapag papasok na ako, yung gagamitin ko na ng shoes is yung winter shoes. Hindi na to kasi nga, kapag ito yung sinusuot ko, malamig siya kapag nagbabike ako. Can you bring this, babe? Bring this. Let's go. So, let's go, guys. Guys, ang ganda ng snow. What? Lalabas na tayo. Yes.
Because it takes time to do.
Look at that. What the fuck? Wow, super white. Doon yung sasakyan namin, nababalot na ng snow. Ang kapal. Diba? Ang ganda. Ito naman, natunaw na. Wow, ang dami. Look at. Oh my God! Woo! Sobrang saya ko guys, as in. Para akong bata. Gusto ko sana paghulong-gulong kaso meron akong work. Malamig, open.
Yes.
You open? Ah. Just put this inside. Because it's disturbing.
Okay, cool.
So we're gonna remove the snow.
What's in the gloves?
With the gloves?
Yeah. Yes, I have gloves.
Akala ko kasi
It's quickly get freezing.
But you don't have gloves also.
No, I don't have gloves.
You see, ang kapal ng snow guys. Pero hindi siya malamig ngayon, hindi malamig. Kailangan namin tanggalin yung snow. So guys, tanggalin na natin. What? Ang daming snow. Ito lang yung yung bad side ng snow. Kasi kailangan mo pa maglinis. Ang kapal! I will do it, babe. Oh, diba? Nasa Netherlands lang kami, guys. Okay.
Watch out, and the gloves will be wet.
Very tough snow.
From the top, and it's many things.
Here.
Bring down. See, it's open. Most of the top. See.
Wow, it's snow. It's inside, babe. So, guys. Paalis na kami. Kasi namalilik na ako sa work. I'm so happy, guys. Magbabike sana ako ngayon. Kaso, nag-worry si husband. Baka daw simple ako sa kalsada kasi nga madulas yung kalsada ngayon. Lalo na kapag nag-melt na yung yung snow. So, kaya hihatid na lang niya ako sa work. Eh, nagkataon. So, mamaya, baka sunduin niya ako ulit from work. So, ayun. So, let's go, guys! Papakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung buong paligid. Oh, di ba? Balot na ng snow.
Every heartbeat, every street, brand new world under.
Ang ganda. Kaso kapag tunaw na siya, guys, ang pangit niya.
Across the sea,
Madumi kapag tunaw.
over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities.
Dahan-dahan lang tayo kasi nga madulas yung kalsada.
Come on, travel with me.
Mabuti na lang, walang trabaho si husband.
Where dreams run deep, over the
Kaya may atid niya ako.
across the
Mali naman, guys, oh.
laughing with
Hindi na nakikita masyado yung kalsada.
come on,
Lahat na color white.
sipping coffee in small cafes, writing postcards along the way, singing songs under neon skies, painting the world with you and I.
Let's go!
It's alright, we'll find the magic every night, every laugh, every leap, a memory
It's so
we'll
perfect,
always
right?
keep.
Tingnan niyo, oh, ang dumi.
Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze.
Sarado pa, guys, yung yung way kung saan kami niliko.
With me, where dreams run deep,
Sarado. Siguro sa kapal ng snow.
across
Shit.
the fields, laughing with stars in a sky so sweet.
But where we gonna go?
Come on, travel with me underneath the thousand skies.
15 minutes?
Leave the past and say
I'm not that late.
every sunset
Nine.
in your
Okay.
eyes feels like home, feels so right. Travel with me. Oh, travel with
I think it's very fresh. It's just happened something.
Accident?
wild and free. Come on, travel with
Smart.
me. Travel with me. Across the sea, over the
It works very good. I don't know how it's about ice. Maybe ice. No, but even to ice, the salt the ice even melts very quickly.
Tingnan nyo, guys, itong nasa harapan namin na sasakyan. Ang bagal niya mag-drive. 20 km per hour yung drive niya. Sobrang bagal. Tapos sa sa likod merong bus nakasunod. So look at that. It's a white Saktong-sakto guys. 2026 nag-snow. Guys, kakauwi ko lang galing ng work and sinundo ako ulit ni husband. And alam niyo ba guys, naglinis si husband. He cleaned the house. And he surprised me. He buy me a flowers. Ang ganda, no? Tingnan nyo. Binilhan niya ako ng flowers. Dapat ako yung bibili sa kanya kasi nga siya yung naglinis. Tinanggal niya din yung yung Christmas tree kasi nga mabaho na yung amoy niya. And then inayos niya yung mga cabinet, naglaba din siya. Dami niyang ginawa. So tatawagin na rin siyang house husband. Houseman or hindi housewife. House husband. Houseman, yeah. What is this, babe?
No, it's just a card. I bought this. I was thinking it's with the melodic, and you open this melodic, but no.
Bumili din siya ng prutas. Let's go to the kitchen kasi nga nagluto na siya ng aming dinner. Ang dami niyang ginawa. I'm so proud of you, babe. You're not lazy. Just. So, this is what he cooks. Let's see. Whoa, it's a chicken. Oh, nice. And wait. Mashed potato. Oh no, it's boiled potato. So that's our dinner for tonight. And this is my chef. So guys, kakain na kami. So ako na yung maghahanda kasi nga siya nang nagluto. So paghahandaan natin ang aking mister. Ang sarap sa piling na pagdating mo ng bahay, naka-ready na lahat. Wala ka nang gagawin. Maliban na lang, ang gagawin mo na lang is maligo. And then, mag-relax. Kasi meron kang partner na tinutulungan ka. Hindi yung inaasa lahat sa'yo. So, yeah. Wait lang. So, ang bango guys, ang luto ni husband. Mamaya tatanungin ko siya kung anong tawag dito sa niya, sa dish. I think niya lang to. Gawa-gawa. Mahilig kasi siya mag-experiment. Ako din, mahilig din ako mag-experiment. So, konti lang muna kasi baka hindi maubos. Kasi medyo busog din ako. Kasi kanina, yung kinain ko kanina is kanin, tapos adobo. And then, let's take some... Mukhang masarap talaga. So, tagtatlong piraso lang muna kami. Kasi baka di maubos. Kain tayo, guys.
Careful because they can fall.
Yeah.
Mistaken.
Meron pong pakandal si husband, Romantic. What's that? Mila, how do you call this dish?
Secret. It's my own company secret.
Hindi, he will not gonna reveal the recipe because he wanted to sell this later. Char.
You want?
Little bit. Little bit?
Yes.
Can I show them? Look guys, bumili si husband. Para siyang atchar. It's like, see? Kaso, hindi siya carrots.
Eat. It's okay?
Sour. Maasim siya, guys.
But they are healthy.
We should also try atsar. Like a bit similar in Philippines. We're using papaya and carrots. This one, I don't know what vegetable.
This is the same what where we wrapping that what my mom cooked inside the meat. What we cooking long time.
Ah,
But this is the same.
cabbage.
Yeah.